Well, in the latest in the DMK family feud that has split the party, Stalin supporters in Chennai are protesting against his suspended brother Aragiri. This after Karunanidhi's claim that Aragiri had threatened his younger son and heir apparent. T.S. Sudhir, editor South, is with us live for more on this story. Sudhir, the acrimony within the DMK, which M.K. Stalin had actually sought to play down when we spoke to him first following the suspension of M.K. Aragiri, is completely out in the open now. And, you know, the split in the party is there for everyone to see.
Absolutely. Karunanidhi doing the very uncharacteristic thing of washing his dirty linen in public. Many in the Aragiri camp would actually argue, Shiv, that this entire script is written by M.K. Stalin. Remember, M.K. Karunanidhi himself, a master script writer, known for his very powerful scripts. But this is one script which has gone horribly wrong. Him having to choose one son over the other, actually having to come out in the open and say things like Aragiri wished that Stalin should die in the next 3 months. So in that sense, pretty much a very sad story. In many senses, Karunanidhi also trying to project himself as a very tragic father figure, that here is one son who's wishing this kind of things against his younger brother. Now, obviously, this will mean politically a lot for the DMK, given the fact that the party is nothing but an extension of the first family of Karunanidhi. In that sense, politically, just coming 3 months before the Lok Sabha elections, Karunanidhi has obviously decided that he's going to go whole hog with Stalin's leadership, and Stalin is going to be the chosen one. We know it for a fact that for many years there has been this running feud between Aragiri and Stalin, but Karunanidhi had not made his options very, very clear, even though Stalin was made the deputy chief minister. But now he has made it very clear that Stalin is going to be the leader after him.
Thanks, Sudhir, for getting us that update. We'll come back to you on this developing story. Obviously, things spiraling out of control in the DMK. Cadres have been known to get violent in the past as well, both the supporters of Stalin and Aragiri. Let's hope that things don't go completely out of control and there's extra security, especially during those protests that take place both in Chennai and in Madurai, the stronghold of M.K. Aragiri. We'll keep a track of that story. Thanks.